What's up, DB gang 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 gang? So I came across some hair that I've been having in my hair stash for like a little while now, and I totally forgot about it. So I'm just going to do an unboxing of some hair that I ordered. So if you ladies want to see what I ordered, stay tuned for the video. So I'm gonna jump right in to pricing wise, because I know everybody want to know how much this hair costs, is it affordable and stuff like that. So this hair is from Aliexpress, and the name of the company is called Face Beauty Hair. I believe they went by the name of Queen Beauty Hair, but they had some copyright issues, I believe, with their name. So the new name now is called Face Beauty Hair. Really was skeptical and on the fence of trying this hair, but I'm like, you know what, let me just step out of my comfort zone. It is summertime, so it's a great time now to use this hair. So what I ordered was some 1B613 hair, and it came in the length of an 18, a 20, and a 22 with a 16-inch closure. I paid $164.17, and I had a $2 off coupon, which brought my total order down to $162.17. Y'all know I'm all about saving some coins, so saving something is better than saving nothing. So let's just jump into the unboxing. So my package came in like a FedEx package like this. Nothing fancy, just a, you know, FedEx packaging like that. And this is the closure. Like I said, the closure is 16 inches. This is a 22-inch bundle. This bundle is the 20-inch bundle, and this bundle is the 18-inch bundle, and it also came with some lashes as well. So I thought that was really cute. It didn't come in like no box or anything. The bundles was just thrown in this FedEx bag. So I'm just gonna take this out of the packaging. So all the bundles, they come with this cute little bow on it, which I thought was really cute. And these are the bundles right here. I'm running my fingers through it, and I'm not getting any shedding. No shedding at all. And this is the closure. This closure looks freaking crazy. The baby's hair are extremely long. Lord Jesus. And I'm running my fingers through this, and I'm not getting any shedding at all. So off the rip, I can tell that blonde hair has a lot of flyaways. So thank God for my CURLKIT wet stick, because I will be using that to save these flyaways. This closure seems really thick, and this closure is a 4x4 closure, so it looks like this. And this is how the lace is looking. Oh my gosh, these flyaways are ridiculous. And y'all already know I do not bleach my knots. So, but this is how this is looking. So we're going to start with the 18-inch bundle. These bundles in this closure is supposed to be straight hair, but it does have a little S pattern to it. So I don't know if it's because it was sitting in the packaging for too long, but it's whatever. And like I said, it does come with a pretty little bow. So I'm going to take this off. And this is the 18-inch, and this bundle is really thick. That is how it's looking, and I really am loving this hair so far. It's really soft. The hair doesn't smell processed, and I was kind of surprised, but I'm not getting any of that smell with this hair, so I am grateful for that. And like I said, I'm not getting any shedding at all. I really don't see any beards on this hair, which is amazing. The weft construction is awesome. The wefts are really thick, and like I said, this is the 18-inch bundle. Now we're gonna go into the 20-inch bundle. Let's take this ribbon off. And this is a 20-inch bundle. Again, I'm not getting any shedding. This is how the 20-inch bundle looks. Yeah, I could see these flyaways are going to be a issue. Oh my gosh. And this is the 22-inch bundle. And this bundle seemed really full for 22 inches, and it's really freaking long. Oh my gosh. This looked like 24 inches. It is really long, you guys. Really long. And even for this to be 22 inches, this bundle is really thick. And it looks like I wanted something that came already dyed and something that would look more natural. I am very on the light side. This is my first time actually going extremely blonde, and I'm super excited. I don't know what I'm going to be doing as far as if I want to keep this hair this color or if I want to change this color. So I don't know, guys. I don't know what I want to do. These baby hairs are ridiculous. They are super long. Oh my gosh, they are super long, and y'all know I do not know how to lay no baby hairs. So yeah, this is going to be a trial and error for me. Something, like I said, these bundles are something totally different. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I do want to do a watercolor, but I don't know what color I want to do. I'm thinking about like a silver grayish color, or maybe blue or purple, or even red. I want to step out of my comfort zone and, you know, dabble in some color, because I need some color in my life. And, you know, I want to try something different. I'm always open-minded to trying new things. So I'm super excited to see how this goes. And like I said, this is Face Beauty Hair. Face Beauty Hair, I already know I ordered from Beauty Forever Hair. And I wanted to try a different vendor on Aliexpress. So I'm hoping Face Beauty Hair does me good. So y'all definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna, you know, make my wig, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all divas what's up. Like I always say, don't forget to like this video, share with anyone and everyone, comment down below. Y'all don't forget to check out my Facebook page so we can always stay connected. You guys can stay in the loop of things, and y'all can always chit chat with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.